Hi friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make a recipe from raw banana. I will be making two recipes. Previously also I made a soya chunk recipe, little bit similar to this recipe. It was also tasty. So today I will fry the bananas in the same way. The link for the soya chunk recipe I will mention in the description box, and the ingredients for this recipe also I will mention in the description box. You can check over there. So let's start with this recipe. Friends, here I have taken 4 raw bananas. I peeled it off and then I washed it properly and I have cut it into small pieces. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Chili powder you can adjust according to your taste. If you want more spicy, you can add little more. Little garam masala, half teaspoon of garam masala. I have added half teaspoon of garam masala. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Mango powder, half teaspoon. Salt. Then we will mix it well. I will add half teaspoon of garlic powder. We will keep it to marinate for 20 minutes. Friends, now I will add 2 teaspoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of chana atta, two teaspoons of corn flour. Now we will mix it. We have to mix it gently. All the pieces of banana should get coated with this flour. You can see like this we have to do it. And we will wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will fry it. I have kept the oil for frying. It has got hot. I am going to shallow fry the banana pieces. Now I will add the banana pieces one by one. Here I have increased the speed of video. Now the flame is on medium heat. Let it get fried from all the sides. It should get fried from all the sides. We will fry it till it becomes crispy and golden brown. It may take 3 to 4 minutes to fry. We will fry it till it becomes little crispy. Friends, it is being fried nicely. Now I will remove it. It has become crispy also. All the pieces are separate, only they are not sticking to each other. It is fried nicely. Now I will remove it. Remove this. Friends, our banana fries are ready. I have served it with sauce. It can be eaten as a tea time snack. But today I am going to make one more recipe from this banana fries. For the next recipe I have taken some vegetable, and this recipe can be used for our dinner or lunch. So let's begin with our second recipe. I have taken some vegetables: cabbage, red bell pepper, carrot and purple cabbage. Now in the same pan I will prepare the recipe. I have reduced the oil. Here I have kept nearly 3 teaspoons of oil. Now I will put cumin seeds. Friends, let the cumin seeds get crackled. Friends, now I will add the vegetables. Here I have taken 2 red chilies. From the green chilies, I got these red chilies. So I am going to cut it. I will put onion and red chilies. If you don't have these chilies, you can add green chilies also. We will fry the onion just for few seconds because we want the crunch of the onion. Now I will add the vegetables. Stir fry the vegetables just for 1 to 2 minutes. It is looking colorful. I will add garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can add garlic also. Fresh garlic. Now we have fried the vegetable just for 1.5 minutes. Now I will add the sauce. I have added 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce. I will add 4 to 5 teaspoons of soya sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I have added white vinegar. I have added 4 teaspoons of soya sauce, 4 to 5 teaspoons. Little salt. Half teaspoon of chili powder. We have to add little salt because the soya sauce also has salt in it. It should not become salty. Now we will add the fried banana. We will mix it. We will fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. We have just stirred fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it is ready. I will put off the gas and I will serve. Friends, our banana fry recipe is ready. I have served it in the plate. I have garnished it with red chili, onion and some cabbage leaves. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Food channel. Thank you.